When there's flooding, whether from natural disasters, pipe bursts, appliance leaks, faulty sump pump, or septic tank overflows, water always takes the path of least resistance. It may seep through wood, drywall, sheetrock, baseboards, and even concrete cracks and crevices where it is difficult to detect without using proper training and equipment. Depending on the category of water, the amount of water, and the duration of exposure, the damage to the property may be mild or extensive. There are 3 categories of water damage. Clean water contains little or no contamination and may come from a broken tap, hose, or rainwater from an open window. This is the cleanest and safest water to handle. Usually, we can save almost everything that was damaged. Gray water has a small amount of contaminants and may be from a malfunctioning or broken appliance, such as a dishwasher. Because it contains contaminants, there is a health risk, but most things, except the carpet pad, can be saved as well. Black water is seriously contaminated and requires the most care in handling. This may come from sewage below the trap, gray water that has sat for a long period of time, or flood water. Usually, porous materials damaged by black water cannot be saved. We are the paramedics of property damage, and we will be there to guide you from the moment you call us until the moment your property is fully restored.